Hello everyone, welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Employment Linked Incentive Scheme. This topic relates to economy section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why in the news. Recently, the Employment Linked Incentive Scheme was launched as part of the Union Budget 2024-25. It is included in a package of 5 initiatives by the Prime Minister. It aims to offer employment, skill development, and other opportunities to 4.1 crore young people, with a total funding of 2 lakh crore rupees. The scheme's benefits will apply to jobs created between August 1st, 2025 and July 31st, 2027. Now let's discuss about Employment Linked Incentive Scheme. With a budget of 99,446 crore rupees, it seeks to promote the creation of over 3.5 crore jobs within 2 years. First-time employees will receive a 1-month wage, up to 15,000 rupees, while employers will be incentivized for up to 2 years for creating additional jobs, with extended benefits for another 2 years in the manufacturing sector. Welcome SSC aspirants. Drishti SSC is here to support you every step of the way with free live classes, previous year questions, PYQs, demo classes, exam notifications, and strategy videos. Whether you're starting your journey or looking to refine your preparation, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all the resources you need to crack your SSC exams. For more details, call us at 8750187501. Now let's discuss about scheme of ECI Part A. Incentives for first-time employees. First-time EPFO registered employees earning up to 1 lakh rupees will receive 15,000 rupees in 2 installments. The first after 6 months and the second after 12 months with financial literacy completion, with benefits to 1.92 crore employees. Part B. Support for employers. Employers will get up to 3,000 rupees per month for 2 years for hiring new employees, with salaries up to 1 lakh rupees for at least 6 months. Manufacturing sector employers will receive incentives for 3 to 4 years. Minimum hire requirements: 2 employees for less than 50 or 5 employees for 50 plus. Now is the time for practice question. When will the Employment Linked Incentive Scheme's benefits apply for jobs created? A. 2023 to 2025. B. 2025 to 2027. C. 2024 to 2026. D. 2022 to 2024. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.